Hello! Welcome to the living room, small project edition. Wait. I know what you're thinking. Ham to man. You've done one of these already. Yeah, because this living room project is so ginormous and so frustrating sometimes, I'm going to do a second one. For those of you that are new and haven't been with me before, welcome. This is Small Projects Edition. This is where I buy a bunch of stuff and a bunch of little things around the house need to get fixed up, altered, changed out, things like that. And those little projects give me a boost so that I can continue with the one that I am doing. Obviously, it's a pretty big one. See behind me. Let's get going.
Handyman!
Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to grab each bag and see what's inside and then do those projects in the bag. So, this is bag number 1. You guys remember this place? It still looks fabulous with the yellow ceiling. It's not like you're gonna be still messy as all heck, but it looks great. Next. Sorry about the noise. I don't know. Does that 2 look straight to you guys? Oh no, you didn't. It just broke off. Well, I guess this one's just gonna have 2. There's a wasp following me around. I think that looks pretty sharp. Next. I'm not gonna know for a while whether or not this works, but I can at least put the switch on it. Had some bad luck with picking the wrong kind of fixture lately. So I'm gonna curlicue everything from now on just in case. That way, if I mess up, I can at least keep it around for a different situation. Because the handyman does mess up like any ordinary person, because I am not a contractor. I'm not a licensed contractor. I'm a DIYer trying to survive. Now there's no way to tell whether or not this works, because again, I can't like touch something to it and be like, here you go. But it's good to go at least. I'm gonna put it back in the box. Oh yeah. Cool. Bing. After closer inspection, I mean it at least flicks. So since I want to do this right, I need a tiny little piece of 14 gauge wire. And this little piece went to market. This little piece went home. This little piece had a charge. And this little piece had none. Teeny tiny little piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this wire here. Huzzah! And now I just made it easier for me to attach the dimmer switch. Bob's your uncle, Mary's your aunt, life is good. Time for a rant. Huzzah! And mood lighting. Oh wow, they go like all the way off. Oh, that's why. Like they go down a little bit. Like more manageable. But it works. Okay, so it's starting to thunderstorm outside. I don't even like to work with electrical stuff even when it's thunderstorming, even if it's all off. Freaks me out. I don't want to deal with it. So instead, I'm gonna put up some of this stuff instead. Before I do, one thing I should mention, that you really only need insulation on the exterior walls. For instance, this is an interior wall, this is an exterior wall. And there is insulation on this, there's insulation above me, but there's no insulation right here. Now, the reason why I'm putting insulation right here is because on the other side of these doors is the living room. And granted, whenever I put drywall in here, it's gonna muffle the sound, but I want it just a little bit more because I might use it as an office, so I'm putting down regular insulation. Zip-a-day. Wow. Hey guys, thanks for watching this latest episode of Small Projects Edition. Now that I've got a few of these done, well, I mean, this one I'm gonna keep going. But now that I've got a few of these done, a couple little things I want to take care of, now I feel a little bit more complete, and I'm gonna move right on to the next one, so stay tuned. There'll be more adventures from the Handyman soon.